गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस, दिस इज़ हर्ष एंड यू वाचिंग हर्षस्थान। लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो आपको नहीं पता होगा कि मैं कहाँ हूँ। वैसे मैं हूँ प्राग में, विच इज़ चेकिया इन चेक रिपब्लिक, और मेरे रूम से नज़ारा है ये। आई एम गोइंग टूवर्ड्स ऑस्ट्रिया। तो यहाँ से अब जाने की बारी आ चुकी है, तो यहाँ से निकलते हैं और ऑस्ट्रिया चलते हैं। एंड इट्स टाइम टू से गुड बाय टू दिस रूम ऑल्सो, बट दिस इज स्केरी। They stuck in this room. That's really scary. And that's my bag, which is ready. That's the bathroom, which I just used. That's me. And this is another bedroom, which I did not use. That's kitchen. Chalo, let's meet out in train. So this is the street view here. From here. He helped me in catching the train. Thanks a lot. He came all the way here from a long distance. Thank you. May I know your name?
Jose.
Jose. Thank you.
Adios.
Nice meeting you. Adios. Gracias.
Not again.
Right. I'm ready at railway station. I never traveled in India in train, so that's the first time I experience this. Great. That's the train. I gotta go.
You can find an information brochure which is located near to your seats. The mobile app RegioJet. If you have any questions or wishes, please contact me or somebody from the cabin crew.
Alright guys, I'm finally in Austria और मैं अभी वियना में हूँ. But there's a problem I'm facing right now. My card stopped working and I supposed to get a bus for Munich for tomorrow, but I'm unable to book it. That's a big problem with me. So right now what I have done, I have taken a cab from railway station, from train station to bus station, and I hope I can get a ticket for cash. If this is possible, then I will be out of trouble. If not, then yeah, it is. So actually I'm not staying here in Austria, in Vienna.
Transit.
So yeah, can you give me some idea, like is it easy to find Indian food or vegetarian food?
Oh, sure. Oh, yes.
It's easy?
It's easy.
Because in Prague I couldn't find vegetarian
usually
food.
they'll write on the door if it is vegetarian or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Then if it's like Indian food, you'll see, just by just looking at it, you know.
Okay. Alright.
And I have all those things.
Because yesterday I bought a burger from Burger King.
Yeah.
And I explained them very well that I'm vegan. I don't eat meat. They packed it. I went to hotel, and when I checked, it was a
It was pure meat.
piece of meat.
No. Here, they take it seriously. So if you demand that, you get that. You get what you demand.
Right.
So, there are special restaurants for vegan
Okay.
way of life and things like that.
Will I get some on bus station?
No, they're not, because the bus station is a little. Actually, there isn't much shops there unless you go into supermarket.
Supermarket.
They also carry varieties of vegan food.
Okay.
You can buy as well.
Okay.
It will be labeled. You see it.
All right. And Edinburgh, yes. It's a ship.
What
That building.
was they would design like a ship. It's a telecom company.
Great. So Austria is not what like I was thinking. It's more into IT and it's more developed and it's a business hub. I can say that. Wow. Good.
So if you're looking for a hotel close to the bus station, inexpensive one. So this is the bus terminal.
Huge. This is huge. I mean, this place is amazing. मतलब जर्मनी में इतने मैंने स्काई स्क्रैपर नहीं देखे जितने यहाँ पर देख लिए. So Vienna is growing. सो आज आने की हिम्मत तो थी नहीं, आ गया फिर भी आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए कैथेड्रल है. सो दिस इज़ इट, दैट्स इट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर एल्स, नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग. टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू जर्मनी, टुमारो आई एम गोइंग टू म्यूनिक. सो अभी देख लो बस, दैट्स इट. Is this famous here? Famous.
This is Flash Station.
The day was about to end it very badly, लेकिन संभल गया, हो गया. I have a place to stay and I have transportation as well for tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll go to Munich, Germany. From Munich I'll go to Abu Dhabi, then I'll go to India. There's this building which has a shape like a ship. Ship shape. Wow. Great. Architecture of Vienna is completely different. Look there, it's a different kind of building. It's different. This building is different. This building is different. This is different, and that is strange actually. Ship shape, but it's a very good idea. So day ends here. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or bye bye.